Hello everyone. So yesterday I have asked one question related to EKS cluster scheduler where we can save the cost, okay, which is for the non-production environment, dev, test, QA stage, whatever you are managing, okay. So how you can deal with this situation? So if you haven't went through that video, first before watching this video, just watch that yesterday's video which I uploaded for the scenario base, okay. To answer this question, as simple as, let's say you have a dev environment, test environment and a stage environment, for example. So dev environment you want to run Monday to Saturday, and rest of the non-production environment you want to stop it daily basis but Monday to Friday, okay. Stage and your test environment, or might be QA environment, okay. Only dev environment you want to run till the Saturday, because sometimes developer want to stretch their work because of any deadline or any tight targets, okay. So in that case you can write down the Lambda function, okay, Python based Lambda function, schedule with the 4 CloudWatch events rules, okay. Why 4 CloudWatch event rules, right? So 2 rules, right, for the scale up, scale down, second 2 rules for scale up, scale down, but first 2 scale up, scale down rules for the Monday to Friday, okay, which will cover your daily basis stop and start for the test and QA environment, for example, or stage environment. Now what about the Monday to Saturday for the dev environment? So for that you need to create the separate CloudWatch rules where you can schedule the Monday to Saturday, okay. You can search easily, it's not a complex setup for the CloudWatch rules, okay. CloudWatch event rules, it's very straightforward. You can, like similar like a Linux space cron job, right, same thing. So you can set up for the Monday to Saturday for the dev environment and Monday to Friday for the test and QA and other stage environment, okay, non-production one. So this way you can schedule this, okay. Just make sure whenever you write down the Lambda function code, Python based, make sure you have to check the tags, okay. So you can check first tag based on the environment. So how you can set up the tags? So let's say you are managing the EKS cluster, so definitely it should has a auto scaling group. So in that auto scaling group you need to tag, right, environment equal to dev QA stage, right. So Lambda function will check tag based on the environment and it will trigger based on the CloudWatch event rules. Let's say Monday to Friday it will check test and stage environment or QA environment, and it will do daily basis stop and start. For QA dev environment which we required till the Saturday, it will check the environment tags, environment equal to dev, then the which we have a separate CloudWatch event rules for the till the Saturday, that will trigger, okay, and for the Sunday it will remain off, okay. This way definitely you will get some sort of cost optimization for the non-production environment on the EKS cluster side. I hope you got the points, okay. If you have any other thought process, any other solutions in your mind, definitely comment box is open for you, okay. Take your 1 or 2 minutes, just thought on this, how you can do better than this, okay, and definitely just comment your thought process and your solutions on that. Yeah, thank you.